Well, good morning, Yogendra Rana here. Digit Insurance to absorb holding company. Digit Insurance to absorb holding insurance company. The Go Digit General Insurance Board has approved a scheme to merge its holding company, Go Digit InfoWorks Services, with the listed insurer, making it the first case of an insurance company merging with a non-insurance holding company after amendment to insurance laws allowed such transactions. In an exchange filing, the insurer said the board approved the scheme of amalgamation under section 230 to 232 of the Companies Act, subject to approvals from shareholders, creditors and regulators, including Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, Security and Exchange Board of India, and the Stock Exchange and the National Company Law Tribunal. So the scheme involves the merger of Go Digit InfoWorks Services, the unlisted holding entity, into the operating insurance company. The insurer said the move will remove the holding company layer and directly align shareholders with the insurance business. Insurer said this will lower compliance and administrative cost and align with the regulatory intent of leaner holding structures in the insurance sector. No cash consideration is payable under the scheme. Shareholders of the holding company will receive equity shares of the insurers based on a specified exchange ratio. The additional shares will be issued at rupees 375.1 per share at a premium to the current market price. And after the merger, promoter shareholding will rise marginally to 72.2% from 72.17% on a fully diluted basis, an increase of around 0.03%. So the share exchange ratio is based on a valuation report, and a fairness opinion has also been obtained. Now, founded in 2016, the insurer is a listed non-life insurance company with businesses spanning motor, health, travel and property insurance. Go Digit InfoWorks Services, which earlier carried out IT consultancy and facilitation activities, has ceased operations. So as of September 30, 2025, it reported total assets of rupees 1081 crore and net worth of rupees 1076 crore. So the insurer reported assets of rupees 23,289 crore, net worth of rupees 4,290 crore, and turnover of rupees 5,649 crore. So Go Digit General Insurance Board has approved a scheme to merge its holding company, Go Digit InfoWorks Services. It will be the first case of an insurance company merging with a non-insurance holding company after amendments to insurance laws allowed such transaction. No cash consideration is payable under the scheme. So this is the ease of which a Digit Insurance to absorb holding company. Thank you very much.